Well, first off, I want to thank the governor and the commissioner for coming here to Sarasota and for the Tampa Bay region. It has been a 1-2 punch over the last couple of weeks with Debbie and Milton, and we've had Helene as well. And so what happens in terms of preparation for schools, for the community to be shelters, what it takes to operate a shelter over the course of a hurricane, and what it takes to clean up and to restore stability in the community takes a lot of work and a lot of effort and a lot of people involved. So first, I want to thank the governor, first off, for staging the resources that we need, getting the power, getting the fuel, getting the food and water that we need to get back to normal in our community, but as well as our essential workers. Booker High School, right here where we're at today, serviced over 2,000 community members during the shelter, and Sarasota County hosted over 10,000 guests over that time. We served over 38,000 meals during that time. And so the contributions of what I call our essential workers, our administrators, our custodial staff, our food and nutrition services, who have to sacrifice their personal challenges and the things that they need to do to prepare for the storm and to prepare their families to go through the storm, is heroic in what they do. And so I just want to thank our essential workers. And I had the privilege to walk schools yesterday. Sarasota County got our students back in class as of yesterday. And as I walked those classes and I saw the smiles on the teachers' faces, on the students' faces, they wanted to be back. The stability, the routine that you bring back to a community when schools are in session, that is the stability of the community. And we just thank our teachers who are still facing personal challenges. Even through all of this, they're facing personal challenges. They've been impacted in so many different individual ways. And we've had teachers who've lost their vehicles, that's lost their homes, that are suffering with food shortages, with the spoilage of power outages. And so we just thank you, Governor, for recognizing and appreciate the work that you've done to help us get back on our feet, because Sarasota County will get back, as well as our Tampa Bay region, will be resilient. We will recover. We'll be stronger than ever, just like we have through Ian, through Irma, through Debbie, through Helene. Floridians are strong, and it's because of the support of the governor and all of the partners, the community partners, as well as our teachers and staff. So thank you for being here.
Okay.